might be able to bring it in for a landing. So we're just moving to continue.
Ryan Williams.
Yes, sir. It's 24 CF 279.
So you want to go December 30th?
That'd be perfect. Thank you.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Appreciate it. Good seeing you.
If you get it worked out, we can move it up.
We will. Thank you.
Mr. Shaw?
Judge Tim Shaw for Thomas Christopher Laggett. It's 23 CF 2423. I think the state has an announcement.
Yes, Your Honor. In 23-2423, the state will announce the null pros.
Mr. Laggett, they want to drop the charges against you. Have any objection? All right.
Your Honor,
Charges are dropped.
Mr. Leggett is currently on supervision. He has a violation of probation as well. We would withdraw that violation. It's not set for today. It's set for the 7th, so I'm sorry, I don't have the number on that.
I didn't bring it either.
All right.
I'm guessing the very smart person next to the judge might have that.
All right, well, unless you have something else, you're done as far as
The
this.
VOP is going to be dismissed as well.
Your Honor, the VOP is withdrawn and all original terms and conditions remain in effect, just for the record.
Okay, thank you.
12 CF 48.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
All right,
And that will
thank
not
you.
need to go the 7th then.
Okay,
Your Honor, just from a probation standpoint, the VOP is dismissed and he's reinstated,
right.
correct?
Yeah, just finish out the original terms.
No, nothing different, nothing.
Right.
Yeah. Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is Mr. Nopes here? Mr. Powell? Miss Rivers, you wanted to go?
Your Honor, I do have one that I can do that's out of custody. That is Nicosi Seals. CF 877. Mr. Seals is present, and we've reached an agreement in this matter.
All right. This is 24 CF 877, State versus Nicosi Seals. And Mr. Seals, would you please raise your right hand to be sworn? You swear the testimony you give for this court's true, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. You want to enter a no contest plea to the charge of fleeing, attempting to elude a law enforcement second-degree felony, possession of more than 20 grams of marijuana, a third-degree felony, possession of a controlled substance, a third-degree felony, possession of drug equipment, a first-degree misdemeanor, resisting without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor. So you want to enter a no contest plea to those charges, correct?
Yes, sir.
Did you read and sign this plea and sentencing agreement form?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of the rights you're waiving by entering this plea?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced you or threatened you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you under the influence of any medication or drugs that prevent you from knowing what you're doing here today?
No, sir.
Are you happy with the work Ms. Rivers did for you on your case?
Yes, sir.
Court finds the plea is freely and voluntarily entered. Court accepts it. On count 1, 2, and 3, judge guilty, sentenced to 1 year community control, followed by 3 years probation. Complete the ECLC or substance abuse evaluation along with any recommended treatment. Waive cost supervision. $515 court costs, $100 cost of prosecution, $100 PD fee, $50 app fee. Counts 4 and 5, judge guilty, sentenced to time served. Okay? So just do your probation and stay away from these drugs, Mr. Seals. You're too smart to be doing this stuff. Okay? All right, thank you.
That's all I have out of custody right now.
Mr. Gibbs, you got out of custody you want to?
If I could have just a moment, Judge.
Mr.
I've
Williams?
got some I can call, Judge.
All right.
Georgia Moore. approaching, Judge.
Your Honor, as Ms. Moore approaches in case number 23-1972, we have received confirmation of the outstanding conditions on her PTI. So we are announcing successful completion. Thank you, Ms. Moore. And we'll follow that up with an all pros.
All right, your charge is going to be dropped, okay? Very good, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Ms. Moore, good luck to you.
All right.
No. Let's see, Judge William Hinesley. Judge, the state's provided additional medical reports. Neither the state nor I have reviewed that yet, so we're going to continue it one more time.
December 30th. Thank you.
All right. Angela Horber. Ms. Horber, Judge, we can pass her for a little while. Davers Johnson. Judge, Mr. Johnson is present and approaching. Judge, this is going to be a joint continuance. Ms. Leone? This is Javers Johnson. Oh, excuse me, this would be Ms. Barrettman's case. Ms. Basso, if you're covered for Ms. Barrettson.
I am.
It's being continued. She and I. All right, December 30th. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Touchscreen stopped working.
Judge, I'm just looking for people that I don't need to, that are out, that I don't need to talk to briefly. That's all I have this time.
Judge, I have one out of custody.
All right.
Judge, I have Miss Sandra Gann. CF 1930, Your Honor. We have an agreement, the state's reviewing a written plea.
Ms. Gann, would you please raise your right hand and be sworn? You swear the testimony you give for this court is the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Thank you.
If I may approach, Your Honor. State will be preparing the score sheet.
This is 24 CF 1930, State of Florida versus Sandra Gann. Ms. Gann, you want to enter a no contest plea to possession of controlled substance, meth, a third-degree felony, driving license suspended or revoked, habitual traffic offender, a second-degree misdemeanor, possession of paraphernalia, first-degree misdemeanor. So you want to enter a no contest plea to those charges, correct?
Correct.
Did you read and sign this plea and sentencing agreement form?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of the rights you're waiving by entering this plea?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced you or threatened you to enter this plea?
Sir.
Are you under the influence of medication or drugs that prevent you from knowing what you're doing here today?
No, sir.
Are you happy with the work Mr. Gibbs did on your case?
Yes, sir.
Court finds the plea is freely and voluntarily entered. Court accepts it. You're sentenced to $100 cost of prosecution, $515 court costs, $150 PD fee, all due within 180 days or judgment. Withheld. Adjudication is withheld. Is there no probation?
No probation, Your
No
Honor.
probation, no jail time?
Correct.
That's probably why you're happy with this service. Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Score sheet provided, Judge, no objection.
All right.
Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Just get with the clerk. That's all I have at the moment. Thank you.
All right. Let me see Miss Rivers up here real quick and Miss Leone. I'm not sure.
Quero te ver brilhar, quero te ver sonhar, como a luz do sol.
Alex Barthay from the UPS store once again.
And I wanted to let you know about our Sunday hours. We're open now 7 days a week. Normal hours that you've been expecting, but now we're open Saturday 10 to 4, Sunday 10 to 3, and it's both our Crestview, Fort Walton Beach, and Eglin Air Force Base locations. So you have things to do, go and do it. Just know the UPS store is going to be here. Again, Sundays 10 until 3 p.m.
For years, I proudly served Florida as a state trooper. During that time, I investigated over 1,000 car, motorcycle, and trucking crashes. My mission was simple, to help the victims. Now, as an injury attorney, I can do even more to help accident victims. Hi, I'm attorney Coy Browning. If you've been injured in a car accident, I'd be honored to help you. Call or visit us at browninglawfirm.com.
Your Honor, this is Joshua Ramsey in 19 CF 112, 21 CF 1185, and 24 CF 781. Your Honor, it's my understanding the state's going to dismiss the 24 CF 781 case, take no action on the 2 violation probation, and we will request the probation be revoked and terminated and cost sent to judgment.
That's correct, Judge. The state dismisses 24 CF 781 and is not going forward on the VOPs. My understanding is his time has told on the probation, so no objection to the revocation and termination.
All right, revoke and terminate and any outstanding monetaries to a judgment.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Sir.
So you're done.
Thank you.
And the court's ordering you not to violate the law in the future.
Yes, sir.
You see what happens, it's a lot of hassle, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You're done.
I believe Mr. Noakes is ready.
All right. Hey, Steve, let me see you up here. Mr. Noakes.
Judge, I've got Robert Anderson, 23 CF 2338. Judge, the state had conveyed an offer to me first of last week or the end of the week before. I talked with my client about that offer. He has called my office Friday and conveyed a counteroffer. I've not had a chance to talk to the state. Another issue is we still got to take the deposition of the alleged victim. We're having a little bit of problem because he's incarcerated with pending charges, and we're having to coordinate with his attorney to get that done. So I say it's best just to continue it, and I think we'll get.
Well, what about December 30th? If you get these things, if you got some deal or something, you can move it up to December 5th.
That sounds wonderful, Judge.
How about that? Okay. Thank you.
I'll be talking.
Thank you.
Justin Diaz.
Diaz.
Got a sentence already set in Walton County. Trying to see.
I made you the offer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Depots on that new case then.
Okay, that's fine.
Judge, he's, the one case is old, but he's been off dealing with other stuff, but the 24 CF 1499, my office is in the process of scheduling the depositions on that case. So we'd like to put it on for December 30th, and if we can get them resolved, then we should be able to bring this in for a landing at the end of the year.
So December 30th?
Yes, sir.
All right, I got an emergency, a civil case, emergency situation I got to deal with.
Yes, sir.
So we'll take about a 15-minute break.
Absolutely.
All rise, please.